Welcome guys, we are Team Revealit and we are working towards a connected future. We are trying to bridge the gap between the remote rural and semi-rural areas of India and the existing logistics network. In the present scenario, the consumption of rural areas are more than the urban areas, but the turnaround time is 3 times that. And if we look at the future scenarios, the demand is set to coming from tier 2 or below areas. The challenges for these areas in terms of logistics are poor infrastructure, the low order volumes, sparsely distributed delivery locations, lack of efficient services, and the safety of cargo in transit. To understand the gravity of the situation, let's visit the village of Atle in Maharashtra. During the peak of COVID 19 in Maharashtra, the village needed an urgent supply of PPE kits. When the PPE kits were transferred from Mumbai, the nearest warehouse was 20 kilometers away from the village and it took a whole day to reach from Mumbai to the health center at Atle. Upon reaching, the kits were obviously late and the medical staff were frustrated, and this was not the first time. How our model could be useful in this is that we are proposing a same day delivery, cost benefits over the current models, increase in sales for the stores, and access to wider markets for the local people. With this, we are also taking a data driven approach to identify the underserved areas and deciding whether to form a cluster of villages like Atle into a singular hub or to present a standalone hub for each village. The village of Atle was particularly interesting because it was very remote as it was nearly 30 kilometers away from the nearest town and 10 kilometers away from the state highway. In terms of connectivity with the nearby villages, each village was situated very far away and not connected through proper roads. If we compare the efficiency between the models that are existing right now and the model that we are proposing, we are promising around a 90% reduction in the travel time. So let's revisit Atle using our model. The same order was placed for the PPA kits, but now instead of a whole day, the order was delivered in 2 hours. With timely delivery, no unnecessary risk to life was posed. Now, let's look at the drones as a service model that we are proposing and see how it works. First of all, the pickup hub is chosen strategically using a data. Then the drop-off hubs are Then it is decided whether to form a single hub for multiple villages as a drop-off hub or to present a standalone hub for each village. In terms of forward logistics, packages can come from commercial hubs to the local hubs or from the local hubs to the local hub directly. Once at the drop-off hub, it can be unloaded via automated or assisted unloading. In terms of reverse logistics, packages from the local hubs can flow back to the commercial hubs or to another local hub. So, what's in it for everyone? How is it benefiting everyone? So, the logistic partners stand to gain with a wider customer base, more serviceable pin codes, more efficient deliveries, and an increased security for their cargo. For the villagers or for the local people, they have a wider access to a variety of goods, they have wider access to markets, they have more employment opportunities, and they have easy connectivity to other such villages. And the third stakeholder, the nature, also benefits through this green mode of transport. With Revealit, our service. So with our service Revealit, what could our future look like? Cargo carrying drones could approach remote areas like this. They could choose a certain location as the drop location and try to land. Then the drone flies back to the town, carrying the goods and the services from the village and bringing prosperity to the village.